What's up guys, Kikor TV here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my aunt and uncle's house here, and thought I'd do a little nature trail here. It's been forever since I've been here. They actually added some like new stuff to their like little fort here, so I think that's really cool. Unlike the hut, it's like more of like a playground, which I think is pretty cool. And they have like at least 10 acres full of like, they have chickens over there too. And yeah, that's gunshots right now, but there's like a lot of people hunting around here. It's pretty like, kind of like a country kind of like area. You get a pretty good view up here though. Yeah, he had a lot more. They got a flag. Another flag. Oh, there's a pitchfork on top. I like that. Yeah, you get a pretty good view up here. I can hear squirrels. There it is. You can see it? Pretty cute. Been a while since I've done a nature video. It's probably gonna be my last one for like right now until winter is over, because can't really do one in the snow. Yeah, it's a really pretty land that they have here. Okay, squirrel, we did it. You want attention? Here. I might go show you guys the chickens. Oh man, I'm getting big for this. Yeah, this is like a big dome. Pretty cool. And then they also have a slide. I hope I'm not gonna break it. There's a bug there. Ew, there's a bug. Ew, ew, ew. Why did I just touch it? It's like a dead fly. It just went down the slide. Ooh. They got an old basketball hoop here. There's like an old windmill back there. They have like 10 acres of like stuff. I remember chasing the chickens when I was younger, and I haven't been here in like years. But yeah, they got a pretty cool place. 10 acres of just wilderness and garden, and it's just really pretty looking. This is where they keep the chickens. I remember collecting eggs from them. I remember tormenting them. They ain't out now, but okay, for a second I thought that was a real bird over there. It's like a decoy or something. Wonder if they've ever had like coyote problems or stuff like that. Yeah, they got a whole bunch of areas for these chickens. They probably sealed off in there for the winter. If they're still around, I haven't checked yet, but I keep hearing noises. I keep getting like super nervous. Yeah. Just thought I'd show you guys a nice little nature walk video. Thought it was pretty cool. They got a lot of stuff here. I like it. Oh, I gotta squirrel anyway. Hello, buddy. Don't, I'm not gonna hurt you guys. Oh my gosh, it's actually so pretty back here. All right. Yeah, part 2 will be me venturing into the woods here.
Bye, guys.